Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Justin McKissick Larry, the creator of TradeMode.co, and I'm making this video. I'm doing an observation. I just seen a video talking about the Simpsons predicting where Bitcoin is gonna either, fall to or whatever like that. And I seen the price that is shown, and if you looked at the picture that I put for the actual thumbnail, you can see it. But let me go to it right now on my phone. You probably already saw it, or I'll try to. Matter of fact, let me see if I can pull it up right now. Show the Simpsons prediction for Bitcoin from the 2025 September episode. Okay, so hopefully the picture come up. If not, I already got it downloaded. There it go, right there. Now let me make this bigger. Okay, perfect. So right now, you see right here where it says 66,872. It said crypto prices. Okay, as far as around the time. Let's go back to the chart. Let's say 600. I'm sorry, 66,872. Now I'm thinking from what I looked at, because I already saw that I was telling people that the price of Bitcoin is going down. Based on what I see, the price of Bitcoin is going down. This white line right here, I put is exactly at the price that they said Bitcoin would go to, $66,872. And it's got a couple of changes, 1996, whatever. Not 1996, but you know what I mean. But anyway, look, that's right there where resistance would be. We seen it where it connected right here, here. So what I'm really thinking, since price is right here right now, like I was saying on a monthly time frame, price is going down. This is the monthly time frame right here, this candlestick. And if you look closely, this blue moving average is underneath this orange moving average. If one candlestick formed while crossed over, the candlestick is going to let you know the trade. So basically, if this candlestick is underneath this candlestick in a few days, when December hits, we in a new trade. We in a new trend going down. But what could happen is, remember the is right here, right? It could come all the way down to right here, right? If that's the go down, that's the support. If it's continuously going up, let's look at the overall direction. See, this is the monthly. See, if it go up to about right here, basically, if you take this as a sell, 9 times out of 10, if not next month, eventually it's going to come down to here. Okay, that's the price that we just saw for the Simpsons thing. Look, 66,872 and 0.96. Let's go back to the Simpsons. It's right here. So I'm thinking that's where price is going to go. So I'm thinking price is gonna go down. And when this is made in September the 28th, right? So hold on, let's look. Let's get the crosshair. What, September, right? So this is September. Let me get the crosshair again. Sorry. So right at the bottom, if you look at the bottom of September, right? So about right here, this is where it started going down. For real. Right up in here. It went lower, then eventually, it was a higher, it engulfed it, but this other candle engulfed it again. So it really started about right here around that time. So price with us going down. So I'm predicting based on, and this ain't how I teach people to trade, but this just based on stuff I know about support and resistance. I teach people to trade based on the moving average strategy. But on a higher time frame, support and resistance can be used, but just focus, because you already know how to do the top down analysis. Or if you don't know how to do the top down analysis, that is in my strategy course. It's only $49.99. You will learn how to do a top down analysis. You will be able to get in trades and enter and exit trades quickly and efficiently, consistently. No guessing, no stressing, just reacting. Okay, taking the trades is telling you to take. Okay. Okay. So also we see right here on the ADX, the price is going up as well. I don't teach people to trade with ADX as well. I make it simpler, but it looks like eventually price is going to go up in that way. I think around that time is where it's going to start bouncing back off, and then it's going to continuously go up. But for a few months, like it's going to be going down. Now look, when the last time it crossed over going up, it was about, if you look at the bottom, about February 2023. Okay, and then on that time before that, it was about January of 2000. Look, by January 2022. So it seemed like the stuff would stay for at least a year or 2 years from based up here or whatever like that. But we saw every time it crossed over, it went the direction, right? So why wouldn't it go down here? And also something you may not know, moving averages are used also could be used as support and resistance when trading. People may not know that, but that's just something else you can look at. But this again is just me responding to the price. So yes, you can watch this video and tell me, do this make sense what I'm saying? It's gonna hit support right up in here, but I think for the next few months, it's gonna take its time, but it's still gonna go down. It's gonna go down, then it's gonna come up. It's retrace, come down, then it's gonna be consolidating up in here for a while before it goes up. But it's not going up right now. Definitely not going up. Definitely not going up right now. Let's look at on the weekly time frame. Let's move it all the way over. Okay, look. This slower moving average is now curving. This, I'm sorry, yeah, this moving average is curving as well. This orange moving average is following the blue moving average, but the blue moving average is faster, so it's responding quicker, okay? So it looked like when these moving averages start getting closer to each other, it start going towards each other, the price usually goes that direction and stuff like that. You learn all that. So let's just go to the daily time frame and look at it. You see how everything is already crossed? The blue is already crossed underneath the orange moving average. You learn how to do all this anyway once you get the course and stuff like that. Look, it even right here told you when to get in this trade if you was trading from that moving average. Now you might be wondering like, damn, what is this? I'm trading this right here. This is MetaTrader 5. I can make my alert systems for the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, C Trader, Trading View, all that. With the trading view, it's not going to be a sound alert, but it'll come on the screen. With MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, you can hear the alert. Okay. On the cloud trader, you can hear the alert. Okay. But based on what I see, that's what's going on. So I was saying that before the Simpsons was saying that anyway, but I just, a lot of people be talking about, well, why they feel this and they don't explain why they see that. I'm explaining it, and I just explained it for you right in front of you. So obviously I know what I'm talking about and it makes sense. Comment, share, subscribe if you think this is something that makes sense. And if you want to buy my strategy with a broker that I'm using with 500 leverage, same day deposit, same day withdrawal, regulated, you just go to my website, trademo, TRADE mo.co. You can learn how to trade my trading strategy with these moving averages within an hour. For real, after you buy the course, take about an hour or two, like to know how to do it. But this is instantaneously start trading because you're following the systematic approach. You can just watch my other videos about it, but you see the system in it just by looking. When these moving averages are under each other, price is going down. When this blue is under this orange right here, price going down. Price was selling the whole time. When the blue go up over the orange, price is a buy. You keep the price open for a buy. It's that simple. You see it. It's always repeating itself. You see it so clear once you use this MetaTrader 5. But most MetaTrader accounts, whether it's for the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, trading with brokers, Bitcoin is hot as fuck. That's why I don't trade with this. But I'm still showing you the overall, feel for what's going on. It don't matter what broker you put it on. Once you put this um, algorithm on the chart, it's going to show you the same thing on anything. And just to prove to you what I'm talking about, let me go back here. Hold on. It should be up, right? Maybe it's here. No. Well, I can log in from there. So let me log in real quick. Hmm. 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 Yo, yo. Um, yeah. Sugarfoot, baby girl. All right, so this is Liquid Pro. This is the same stuff I told y'all that you'll be trading with once you buy the course. It's a cloud-based situation, so you don't have to download anything. Really easy to maneuver, very clean and sleek. Let's go to the monthly time frame. Let's try to put a vertical line right now. We gotta put a horizontal line. Let's try to put it right there where it said the price was again for the Simpsons. Look, and this is on a whole different, broker, and you can see it's different. So what's this horizontal? All right. So I'm gonna try to put in my best. Let me go to the settings. Type shit. What is it? 66 6872. All right. Save. It's adjusted to it right there, right? Same thing I just told you all. This is the monthly time frame. What did I tell you? You see where if the price continuously go down, it probably is going to do some retracing and eventually it's going to end up in here. You see where price went here, here, all up in here. It's probably going to come down here as well, again, as support. Once it's whatever they call it. I think, yeah, support when it come down there and it's bouncing back up to support. So what I'm thinking it's going to end up down here somewhere. And that's why I agree with the Simpsons, but I'm the only person that showed why. Again, if you want to learn how to do an analysis like this, it's only $49.99. This is JML and this is Trey Mo.